This morning, I'm mixing El Diablo, a cocktail that can strike fear even into the hearts of the dead. It's June, meaning we're almost halfway through 2022. Go ahead, think back on the start of the year. It should be easy, it just feels like last Tuesday. Now, think about all the things you wanted to get done up until now. How far along are you? Have you even started? Neither have I. Today's shot certainly isn't a victory shot, but maybe, just maybe, it'll inspire me to get off my ass. Don Julio, he's my friend. The El Diablo certainly lives up to its name. This drink is chock full of spicy ginger beer to choke you up when you least expect it. Now, when this drink was first mixed, they used ginger ale instead, but ginger ales are now more weaker than they used to be. So modern bartenders opt for the slightly more potent ginger beer. Let's follow their lead. Today, I am going to bring back Sir Ricky Bobby's famous ice balls. Half ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Half ounce of Creme de Cassis. One and a half ounce of a Reposado Tequila. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. Don Julio to the rescue. Sell me back my soul, El Diablo. Today's word of wisdom is solution. A solution is what you need when solving a problem. Usually, a logical solution is easy to reach, but it's shocking how most people can't see it's staring them in the face. So today, I'm inviting you to open your eyes. The next time you have a problem, don't run around like a chicken without a head. Instead, keep your head and find the solution. You see, that's what I do here. You see, I don't mix drinks. I create solutions. Others may think I have a problem, but they're wrong. I'm just solving the problem. Usually a logical conclusion isn't. Usually a logical solution